Hi, my name is Will, the AI assistant for Jim Pepa, the head of tax at Officeheads. Today we are going to talk about buying real estate. This is a part of our educational series, When to Talk to Your CPA. Buying a property is a big decision that can have a significant impact on your taxes. Whether you're looking for a place to live, a vacation home, or a rental property, there are some things you need to know before you sign the deal. If you need to sell some of your investments to raise cash for the purchase, be aware of the capital gains tax. Long-term gains are taxed at a lower rate than short-term gains, so try to avoid selling assets that you've held for less than 1 year. Otherwise, you might get a nasty surprise when you file your tax return. If you're buying a property to live in, you can deduct your mortgage interest and property taxes as itemized deductions. This can lower your taxable income and save you money. However, there are some limits to these deductions. You can deduct the interest up to $750,000 of mortgage debt, and you can deduct up to $10,000 of state and local taxes, including property taxes. So, if you're buying a mansion in a high tax state, you might not get the full benefit of these deductions. If you're buying a second property, such as a vacation home or a rental, you can also deduct the mortgage interest and property taxes with the same limits. But there are some additional rules you need to follow. For example, if you rent out your vacation home for part of the year, you must report the rental income and expenses on a separate tax form and allocate the deductions based on how much you use the property for personal and rental purposes. These are just a few of the tax tips you need to know when you're buying your first or second property. As you now know, buying real estate can get tricky, and there are many more details and nuances that are not covered in this short video. Officeheads highly recommends that you talk to your CPA before you make any big real estate decisions. Officeheads provides this and other tax advice to its clients. Jim is here to help with any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and happy house hunting.